Saving with Shay. I'm here for my weekend haul. All right, y'all. It's 102 degrees in SoCal. It's hot. I do live in the desert, so it's kind of hot. How is it not going to be hot? You in the desert, it gets triple digits here, obviously. So I'm gonna try and make this quick. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I'm Shay with the pow 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 pow. All right, definitely take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure it smells like my two-partner girl. So I did just leave Food for Less. I did this deal. Amy shared this deal with me yesterday because I was trying to think of what I could do. I did this deal yesterday. It reset on Ibotta, so I did it again on my. I did it on my fetch and Joseph's fetch, right? These are 2 for $5. We have a 50 cent off of 2 digital. You'll pay 7, get back 7 and change from fetch, and then 75 cents for each on Ibotta. So it's gonna make these like a 2 and change money maker, which is why I went ahead and did that deal. And these are gonna be really good to donate as well. I did the Reese's at Vons. You could do it at Target as well, but Vons is closest to me. I did it yesterday morning. There's 2 different offers it's working for. That's $6.49 there, and then you get back. It makes it a 41-cent money maker basically. Like, so I thought that was a pretty decent deal. I just got one. I know that deal you could do at Target as well. And then at Walmart we don't carry them. I thought that was a pretty decent deal as well. How to find the OTC offers for checkout 51. Now let me preface this that everybody doesn't have it. Obviously, everybody don't have them. Someone mentioned turning your location on. I do have it on both my accounts, me and Joseph's account. From the home page, you on the tab, you're just gonna swipe it. Mine's is like the third one. It says instant offers. View offers, you click that and it's gonna show you a list of all of the offers that are available. They're OT offers, you scan them at checkout. Pick your store, then you scan it when you pay. I don't know a whole lot about them. Literally, I've had them on there for a long time. I've just never tried or used them. I don't know if they're one-time use. I assume they are, but I did the ice cream 251 last time. It's still on my thing. I'm gonna hopefully try it for today with the Yasso and see if it works. See if the $5 offer works. But yeah, that being said, we're gonna head to Walmart and see what awesome deals you can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, then it's hot as sun. Keep on watching, and of course, don't forget the hyper girls.
First deal is on the Reese's ice cream bars. We don't actually carry them in our area at Walmart. We do have them at Target though. Our price at $3.98, getting back $2.40 on fetch. $1 on Ibotta would make it 58 cents, which is an awesome deal. But we don't carry them here. Now last video I did the Klondike using the OTC offer for checkout 51. There's 1 for $5 when you save 5 when you buy 2, and there's 1 for save $2.50 when you buy 1. Now the $5 offer didn't work for me, so I just grabbed one of them at $3.97, paying $1.47 out of pocket, getting back $1.50 plus a 10-cent any ice cream on Ibotta and 50 cents on fetch, making it, why'd I say it like that? Making it a 63-cent money maker. I kid you not, this aisle was empty. It wasn't nobody on this aisle. It went from 0 to gazillion in 2 seconds. So I'm gonna try the Yasso. These are like my favorite right now, y'all. I think I have maybe like 2 or 3 more in the freezer. It looks like they're priced at $5.48, so we're gonna grab 2 of them. That total is gonna come to $10.96. I'm gonna try using the $5 off when you buy 2 OTC on checkout 51 to see if it works this time. I'll pay $5.96 out of pocket, getting back $4.26 on Be Frugal for buying 2. And $2 on fetch. It's going to make them both a 30-cent moneymaker. So I'm hoping it works out. I'm going to share this other deal. I saw Romy Save share. I didn't even think we carried the Reese's ice cream. I'll pop up her breakdown. But basically, you are grabbing 2 of the ice cream and 2 of the little A&W water flavoring packets. Those are priced at $1. And 2 of these priced at $4.17. And then you'll get back $1 for the ice cream on Ibotta. There's also the 10-cent any ice cream, and then we'll get back 2 different offers on fetch. One is for $4.80 for the Reese's, and then one is $5 when you buy both, making them both free. Remember when I got these? They're still on clearance. Look, $4. OMG, I was like, please let them still have some for clearance. They're normally $14, $15. They're $4. And I think for Ibotta, we had an offer for like, was it $2.50? It made it like $1, I think, each, or $1.50 each. And I grabbed 2 of them. Only grabbed 2 of them. I wish I would have grabbed more. These are so freaking good in the air fryer. I'm always skeptical when it comes to fake meat, but these so freaking good. So I'm gonna probably grab like 2 or 3 of them because these are so freaking good. In the air fryer, on a bun, lettuce, tomato, cheese, simple. Bacon. I had one yesterday with it. So freaking good. So I'm gonna grab 3 of these. I want to grab 4. Let me stop. I want to grab 4, but yeah, I had to come see if they had some more of these. I wish there was an Ibotta offer or Walmart rewards, but there's not. I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm just gonna get greedy. I'm not gonna be greedy. But yeah, so freaking good. The other thing I liked too was those corn dogs that I got. They were like all beef um corn dogs. Those were so freaking good in the toaster oven. So freaking good. That was a lot of the food stuff that we was getting on clearance. And some of the stuff is still here. Like they still have the Morning Stars, which I still have Morning Stars left, but the Impossibles, I only grabbed 2. They're 6-count bags, and I think I only have like 2 left. I'm gonna have one for lunch when I get home today after this. But yeah, those are so freaking good, and I have to I want to be greedy and just grab 4. I'm not even gonna front. Decisions. I'll just leave it. I'll leave it. Okay. This store, we actually don't carry the Because granola bites anywhere in my area. Um, but they are priced at $3.97. We have an offer on Restock for buy 2. I did have an offer for buy 1 get 1 free, but now it's buy 2 get 2 free. So you'll pay $7.94. You'll get that back through Restock. I'm making the bill free. All right. So next up is the Sour Punch Bites. Last time I came to the store, I couldn't find these nowhere for the life of me. And I know they was dead ass in my face. So they are priced at $3. Josiah must have dang near ate the bowl. Let me stop. I ate some with him. They're priced at $3. I think we pretty much almost ate a whole bag in one day. And so we're gonna grab another one. I'm getting back $1 on Checkout 51 and $1 on Swagbucks, making this only $8. So the finish pop back up on Ibotta. It looks like it's priced a little cheaper. It's $4.82. If you still have the $3 IP, it's a Knox coupon. You'll pay $182, getting back 2 on Ibotta. It'll make it an 18-cent moneymaker with a limit of 5, which is really cool. All right, so I'm gonna grab this combination again. This actually sells pretty good for me. I think I sell it 2 for $5. So you're grabbing the toilet bowl cubes. Those are priced at $4.77. The liquid is priced at $3.43. You'll pay $7.20, getting back $1 for each on Ibotta. And then $3.52 on Be Frugal. It'll make them 84 cents each. All right, y'all. So this next deal here is on the Unstoppables. They are priced at $5.22. We have a 3 cents. And for this, we do have a $4 Walmart reward offer for it, limit of 1, making them $1.22. All right, so this next deal is on the Purcell. Now, I left my coupons in the car. If you have the $2 hang tags, they are still enrolled back for $4.88. So you'd pay $2.88, get back $1.50 on Ibotta. It would make it $1.38. And then we also have a threshold offer for Fetch Reward. I want to say spend 40, get back 8. That you would be tracking for as well. Okay, so I'm going to be grabbing the Nivea men's body wash again. It's priced at $4.77. We don't have the Ibotta offer or Walmart rewards. I'll double check Walmart rewards. But I will be getting back $2 on Checkout 51 and $2 on Swagbucks, making this only 77 cents. Me trying to find a quiet spot to record. So listen, I'm really close to cashing out on Checkout 51 and on Swagbucks. So I'm doing like a few deals just so I could cash out. This is one of them on the TheraBreath toothpaste price at $6.97. Getting back 2 on Ibotta, 2 on Swagbucks, 2 on Checkout 51, make this 97 cents. All right, y'all. Here's my little baby haul. Well, I guess it's not a little baby. This is my toddler haul, y'all. My toddler haul. This worked out really good. I just got what I wanted to get, you know? And I was trying to work my numbers as I went along because I just wanted it to be free at the end of the day. And it was. I think these are so stinking cute. Those are so freaking cute. I wanted the pink one, but they only had one, and I kind of wanted to get all the same scent. What else? My OTC worked on the Yasa. I was so happy that it did. So what I'm thinking is if we have multiple offers or OTCs for the same item, like for that ice cream promotion, our deal, we had one that was $2.50 off of one and $5 off of two. So in the future, maybe I'll just pick one of them, the one I'm gonna use, because like I said, you can't unclip it. And so yeah, I did go to self-checkout. As soon as you hit total, you scanned the barcode and it took off the 5, which is really cool. Now for the Nature Valley on Fetch, I did have to correct my receipt both times by scanning the item, but I did get the appropriate amount, which was cool. Other than that, I'm gonna run through this. Everything you see here retails $70.05. I had $6 in coupons. That was 50 cents for the Nature Valley. I did it twice, and then 5 for the Yasso. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $64.05. My sales tax was $3.18. Getting back $23.71 from Fetch Rewards. Walmart Rewards was $12, and I did get the $4 for all 3 accounts, which is good. Ibotta was $8.50. Be Frugal was $7.78. I did cash out for PayPal, just as a reminder to make sure you cash out, because this is the last month that we'll be able to transfer our 5% rewards into our cash, right? And so I did do, like I said, $5.80. Checkout 51 was $5. Swagbucks is $5. So that brings that back to $67.79. It makes everything you see here free plus a $3.75 moneymaker, which is so amazing. I'm so excited about the ice cream. I'm excited about the Unstoppables. I was excited to find some more of those hamburger patties because I just had one right now. Let me stop. It was so freaking good. Oh my God. I'm like so hooked. And I would have never paid. I mean, I'm not trying to pay $15 for 6. I'm just not going to do that. But if they on clearance or there's a deal or promotion, yeah, I'm good. That I'm good with. The Yasso, I think I started eating that because of a deal as well. So there are definitely some things that we get via couponing / rebate apps that we get to try, and then we become a fan of it. And definitely a fan of those burgers and the Yasso. And so with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button. In the comments, let me see a soccer ball emoji if you make it to the end, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.